If we do our job right, we make long projects a little bit shorter, and we make complex projects a little bit simpler.
When I started ArKco, I worked for a company called Guardian Electric in Chicago. They said, how would you like to go up to Minnesota and be a direct salesman for us for 3 years? And then after the 3 years are up, we're going to let you become a representative and you'll be able to take Guardian as your first line. I came up and met this guy, Bob Arlt, and next thing you know it, him and I decided in 1977 to go into the rep business.
What makes me proud of just doing the job in general is when I see a manufacturing site and that line is running. Those people have jobs, those people have purpose. Then, when you actually see that product out in an application, whether it's a consumer good, whether it's over the road, the gal who was building the parts, I just thanked her for the fact that she was able to keep up with the spike in demand, because it's very important. It's important to both of us. It's important to this company. It's important to your company. But so many people are touched by the fact that she's able to produce more parts.
I love the fact that they're a generational business that started nearly 50 years ago. They have great market intelligence in their territory. They have the synergistic line, and they have the relationships with the customers that I think we're looking for, because you can have lots of market intelligence and reports and things that give you insights. You can have a synergistic line and have all the right products, but really where that comes together is through that relationship with the customers.
As a rep, you have two things to do. You have to sell the customer, and then you have to sell the principal so that the customer gets satisfied and you keep him as a customer.
Many manufacturer representatives don't quite understand our business. ArKco understands our business and takes the time enough to really connect both how we want to grow and what angles we want to grow within. And so they make sure that they present us lines that make sense with that.
Most manufacturers don't have local sales reps. They have regional, but not necessarily local. So ArKco acts as the local sales arm of the manufacturer. Steve gave me the sample out of his kit so I could give to a customer immediately, instead of having to go to the factory, order a sample, wait who knows how long to be able to get the customer up and running on testing something.
So we always say that Mencia membership is like a gym membership. You get out of it what you put into it. And from the very beginning, ArKco Sales has always been really engaged in our membership and really connected to the community. They've put a lot into it, and they've been consistently really involved in our committees and our events and showing up to our conferences. They've always been around to lend their support, and they also really listen to what I'm saying too and come up with ideas, which is really nice. And I've always thought, you know, if they're listening so well to me, their customers must just have a great experience too.
When you see it in application, in the field, and people are using it to do something better for society, it can be building roads, it can be cooling a building. That's the most fulfilling part of the business.